Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unmute on Yahoo Finance message board. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of account. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on to notifications button right here. Go ahead and select it. Now here you can find the option of notification sounds. Simply tap on it. Now you can see the notification sounds have been on the none. Now to unmute it, simply tap on one of the notification sounds just like this. And after selecting one of the notification sounds, your message board will be on mute and you can get the notifications of the Yahoo Finance on your mobile phone. And that's it. This is how you can unmute on Yahoo Finance message board. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.